Hi, welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting. Today I'm going to make some pumpkin energy bites. My reason for doing this is I have an uncle who hasn't been feeling good, has been losing some weight, so he kind of needs a little snack with some extra calories and protein. So it's kind of something I wanted to do and create. A lot of times when I work with clients, you know, the first thing they're always told if they're losing weight unintentionally is to drink protein drinks, and they get kind of really sweet and it's just not for everybody. And so this is a different option that I wanted to make for him. The goal behind it was, you know, higher calorie, high protein, a little higher fat, but not chocked full of sugar. So these would also be great for hiking as well. So anyway, they've got some pumpkin in them for antioxidants and a lot of nuts for some good fats. So check out the video and then let me know if you make these at home and what you add to them.